So hey guys, this is like my second video. It will take like, I don't know, a long time. Well, I'm not going to really edit that much just because I'm recording it on phone. But you guys, check this amazing view out. The sun is setting down. Everything is going great. But guys, my dream, I'm like 9 years old, but my dream is like to just get like the diamond play button. I know that will take like, I don't know, 3 years. But if you guys can just share this, or I don't know, like or subscribe as like other YouTubers say, I'll really like it and appreciate it. So please help me, guys. I'm not saying that I'm poor. Well, sometimes actually. But yeah, it's not like, if you see like my camera not focusing so well, I'm sorry. But yeah. Okay. If I reach like I don't know, 20 likes and 15 subscribers, I think I'll just try to go on biking videos, but like that'll be like so difficult because like I have to hold the phone and like make sure it's like focused and like make sure I don't drop it and like be really careful and like not shake it too much. So if you see any of that things happening, yeah, I'm sorry. It's just like I'm a poor YouTuber, okay? I'm not a good YouTuber, but I think I might face reveal. I just don't want to, and I feel like I'll accidentally one day face reveal. That like if I reach like 25 subscribers and this video gets like 50 likes, wait, no, like 100 likes, and this video, no, oh my gosh, what am I saying? And I get like 30 subscribers, I'll say, yeah, I'll do face reveals because like I just don't want to face reveal. Oh, it's just a sprinkler. But I do have a bike, so I could do biking videos. So yeah. Please, can you guys help me? And yeah. Bye.